For building managers, operators, and service contractors, getting the maximum value from HVAC system assets and assuring 100% occupant comfort are top priorities. But they need the right parts to do the job. Genuine Armstrong parts are engineered exclusively for Armstrong products, allowing your fluid systems to perform as they should. Armstrong parts are manufactured and tested in the same facility as our products, ensuring the parts match the quality of the products you have and are an identical fit. When you choose our newly introduced parts kits, you'll have a complete selection of parts for Armstrong products aligned with official installation and operation manual recommendations. The kits are designed and field tested in collaboration with service contractors and technicians and are packaged at our facility. Parts kits are available in ready-made standard kits or in specially configured custom selections that match the exact requirements of your pump. When you choose configured parts, the parts are selected in Armstrong selection software, capturing your requirements up front for production. Standard ready-made parts kits are labeled so you know exactly what you're receiving at your warehouse or job site. The kits and all the components they include are made for purpose and will maintain or even improve lifetime pump performance in a way that other replacement options can't match. Parts kits come with service and support that are unique, from a preferred stocking program for channels with active inventory management to an Armstrong parts warranty and a global support presence through our large network of distributors and service partners. Armstrong has also introduced a new parts kit search tool that has been designed to help you find the kit you want with easy-to-follow visual steps. Having all the right parts on hand for your business makes your service calls more effective. With Armstrong Parts Kits, there's no need to start over again with the wrong replacement parts, so you can get back to the business of building performance. Check out Armstrong Parts at armstrongfluidtechnology.com to discover how we have you covered.